Hello everybody, and welcome to new fun fruit raid, okay? I do these fruit raids from time to time for my Mike Sovack patrons on my Patreon, and I'll be dropping these fruits. They're all legendary fruits, and also all of these fruits, you know, so it's going to be very pog. So, is everybody ready? Boom, 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 boom. Wah! Boom! 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 Oh, I fell. Boom! 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 Alright, now I'm gonna go back up. Boom! 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 My bad, bruh. I didn't say boom. Boom! Oh, wait, I messed up that one. Hey! No breaking rules! Boom! Boom! Boy. Boom! Boom! Fucked it up. Boom! 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 That was the last one. Alright, there is 27 fruits right there. That was very fun, and I'll see you guys in the next fruit rain. I'll try to throw them better. My throwing arm was sore today. I messed up so many throws. All right. See y'all for the next fruit rain next week. Yo! Ah, I didn't get it.